Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the whimsical world of costume accessories with a product that's sure to turn heads, literally. Say hello to the BEESUM 2023 Cute Toast Hat, the best bread headgear you'll find on the market. Whether it's for Halloween, a birthday party, or just a fun day in, this hat is a unique addition to any costume collection. First, let's talk about what makes this toast hat so special. Made from soft plush material and filled with PP cotton, this hat is designed not only to look adorable but also to be comfortable to wear. It features a realistic toast design, which means you'll not only look great but also feel cozy while rocking your bread-inspired headgear. Now, let's get into the details. The head circumference is 25 inches, making it a one-size-fits-most option. This means whether you have a big noggin or a smaller head, you can still enjoy the quirky charm of this hat without feeling cramped. Plus, the full plush build is skin-friendly, ensuring that you can wear it for extended periods without any irritation. The hat is also wrinkle-resistant, which means it will maintain its shape even after being packed away. One of the standout features of the BEESUM toast hat is its exact detailing. The design captures the essence of a slice of bread perfectly, making it a fantastic conversation starter at any gathering. You'll be the life of the party as friends and family admire your creative choice of headwear. And let's not forget about visibility. This hat allows you to see out easily, making it practical for socializing, dancing, or even chasing your pets around the house. Now, when it comes to occasions, this hat is incredibly versatile. It's perfect for Halloween, of course, but it's also great for carnivals, Christmas parties, and even themed birthday celebrations. Imagine your little ones dressed up as their favorite breakfast items. It can even be a fun gift for someone who loves quirky costumes or a playful addition to a pet costume for a unique photo opportunity. As for care, maintaining the BEESUM toast hat is simple. It's machine washable, so you can keep it clean and fresh for every occasion without any hassle. In conclusion, the BEESUM 2023 Cute Toast Hat truly deserves its title as the best breadhead. With its comfortable fit, adorable design, and versatility for various occasions, it's a must-have accessory for anyone looking to add a dash of humor to their wardrobe. So, if you're ready to stand out in a crowd and have some fun, consider adding this playful toast hat to your collection. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more unique product insights. Until next time, keep smiling and keep exploring.